Is the U.S. really pausing visa issuance for Thai applicants in 2026? Over the last few weeks, you've probably seen the headlines making it sound like U.S. visas for Thai citizens have been frozen entirely. It's definitely worrying, but it's not the full story. Hi, I'm Holly from Siam Legal. In this video, we're going to clear the air on what has actually changed, what is still moving forward, and exactly what Thai applicants should expect next. The U.S. Department of State announced a temporary pause on issuing immigrant visas effective January 21, 2026, and Thailand is one of the 75 countries affected. But here's the most important part. This pause only applies to visa issuance and it doesn't affect the rest of the process, like filing applications, processing petitions, scheduling, or conducting interviews. Why is this happening? The current pause comes from a broad policy review of U.S. visa inadmissibility standards, focusing on public charge considerations. In simple terms, U.S. authorities are reassessing how they evaluate whether an applicant may rely on public benefits in the future. This is a policy-level review, not a blanket rejection of your application or an automatic no on individual cases. So far, there's no official end date for the pause, no new income thresholds, and no new additional forms or documentation requirements. However, decisions are being handled with heightened discretion, resulting in slower processing and increased scrutiny in some cases. Despite the current pause, what's changed is not the process itself, but what happens at the final issuance stage for certain visas. USCIS is still providing family-based petitions, the National Visa Center is still setting up embassy case files, and the U.S. Embassy in Bangkok continues to schedule and conduct interviews. If you are unsure how this pause applies to your situation, simply scan the QR code to book a free consultation. Our team can assess your eligibility and guide you on the most appropriate next steps. For spousal visas, things are still moving normally up to the interview. CR1 visas for couples married for less than 2 years result in conditional residence. IR1 visas for couples married for more than 2 years lead to immediate permanent residence. However, the embassy is no longer collecting passports immediately. Instead of being refused, cases are being put into a pending status. You might pass the interview, but the final visa issuance will be delayed until the pause is lifted. K1 visas are classified as non-immigrant visas with immigrant intent, so they're not directly included in this issuance pause. These cases are still being accepted, processed, and interviewed. Just keep in mind that some applicants are seeing more follow-up reviews or document requests before a final decision is made. This pause only applies to immigrant visas. This means non-immigrant visas like tourist, B1 and B2, student, F1, and temporary work visas are being processed normally and routine travel remains open. Across all categories, consular officers are exercising broader discretion. You might face more detailed questioning or a closer look at your finances, but approvals are still happening, especially for well-prepared cases. The big question, should you wait for this to blow over or file now? For most people, waiting has no advantage. The first 12 to 18 months of the CR1, IR1, or K1 process are being completely unaffected by the pause. If you delay filing, you're just putting yourself farther back in the queue and extending the total wait time. Filing now lets your case move through the system as soon as the visa issuance resumes. The U.S. visa pause has definitely caused some uncertainty, but it has not stopped the immigration process for Thai applicants. The key is knowing where your case stands and being ready for that increased scrutiny. As one of Thailand's leading immigration law firms for over 20 years, Siam Legal has a long history of serving both locals and expats. Our consultants are ready to provide the clear assessment and professional guidance you need for your situation. To discuss your options, simply book a consultation with us today using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.